You just got here 30 minutes late.
Tired.
What is this, 12:30? What are we doing today?
So Philip spent all this time running all these cables all the way to the roof, and then after everything is plugged in, we realized there's no power coming from those. So now we're gonna have to run cable from the sockets of the wall.
Yeah. I'm gonna blame you for that. You should have,
Power.
when you accept the delivery of the warehouse, you should have checked all the sockets with the building owner, actually.
I installed these lights last night.
Shut the
You can see when we're doing operations.
All right, what are we doing today?
I don't know, Phil just wants me to dust off all of our computer equipment because it's gross.
And?
And we're gonna run a blue coax cable up across. I forget what sort of cable. It's the blue one over there.
A network cable?
The network cable. Phil doesn't know if we have enough in length to run all the way up from the power board that I built yesterday.
Shut up.
From the power board.
It's a sick looking network board, isn't it?
Yeah, and then we're gonna run it up this corner.
Yeah.
We're gonna run it across.
Internet works.
We need to get all of that over to the. Wait. We need to get that over to like the power plug up there.
Yeah, we're gonna drop network and power down.
Everything down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Set up both workstations, plug all the computers in, get the printers working.
The phone's working. The
Yeah.
label.
Get the label machine working.
Yep.
And I don't know.
Can we break this? Like hit it with a baseball bat or something?
No, that still works. You just said it needs a new drum.
It's broken.
Wasting money. Always says stuff is broken. Doesn't know how to fix it. All right, let's get to work.
4%.
It should be.
Go run it. No, it's not charging.
You should be charging.
Nope.
Pretty sure it's charging.
Dude, there's no like lightning bolt for charging.
Then plug it in your computer. Plug the USB in your computer.
I don't know, Philip. Just went down to 0%. Alright, recording.
Right. Open for business. Okay, Brenty.
Alright.
I think we're done for the day.
Man, I'm tired.
Look at this office though. We got both workstations set up.
Really good wiring job done by Philip.
Yeah, I don't like. We should have probably flipped those things around and had all the mesh on the other side, but I'm gonna blame Brent for that. He installed those. Other than that, we finally got power run. I had to run it from the wall over here where the socket does work, up and over to the two sockets, that way. The two sockets coming down, one here for all the power tools on this side, one here. The reason we have this drop thing is when we do, I guess, video shoot work, it's a lot easier to pull from the ceiling for your, like, we call it video lights. Video lights, power for the camera. You pull it from the ceiling, drag it around as opposed to them all over the floor. So I think that'll be nice. We still have a lot of work to do. What are we like? I'd say 80% done with the move, right? All these desks are now floating. We got new chairs finally. Our entire existence, we've never had a new chair. So after what, 11 years?
We still have the first chair.
Yeah. After 11 years, we got our first new matching chairs for the guys in office. What was it, a full week of moving? We built new desks, brought everything over.
Dude, we built the loft. That was what took.
Oh right, we built a loft.
About the loft.
Yeah, we built a
We
loft.
were out here until 3 a.m. every single day for a week.
I mean, it wasn't that bad.
And Philip kept farting after we ate food.
Burritos are awesome. I don't really care. Okay, I think we're done.
Gang, gang.
Peace out.